Welcome. In the next 3 minutes, you'll write your first real Python program, step by step. We're going to build a tiny program that asks for your name and age, then prints a personalized message. Simple, but real Python. Step 1. Use the print function. This tells Python to display a message on the screen. Step 2. Ask for the user's name using input. Whatever they type gets stored in a variable called name. Then we print it back. Step 3. Ask for age. Input always gives you text, so we convert it to a number using int. Now Python can treat it like a real number. Step 4. Combine everything into one clean message using an f-string. It lets you mix text and variables inside a single line. This is your complete program. It prints a welcome message, collects input, converts a number, and builds a personalized sentence. If this made Python feel easier, hit like and subscribe so I can keep making beginner-friendly videos for you.